So if you have tried searching for VidIQ and the website is not coming up, I have actually found a solution. So normally before, when you try to open VidIQ, you just search vidiq.com or VidIQ, and when you open this first link, it's going to take you to VidIQ's website. But now when you do that, it's not going to come up because VidIQ have changed the URL that is linking to their website. So now if you want to access VidIQ, you need to go to app.vidiq.com. So if you search for app.vidiq.com, VidIQ is going to open and the website will come up. But if you search for vidiq.com, it's not going to open up. I think the redirection from vidiq.com to app.vidiq.com is not functioning properly. So maybe they will have to fix this, because I have been trying to open the website for long and it has not been coming up. And luckily for me today, I just went to install the extension, and from the extension I was prompted into VidIQ, and when I looked at the URL, I discovered that the URL was different. It was having app.vidiq.com. So that is the update I'm bringing to you today. So that is what you have to know today. If you have been trying to open the VidIQ on your web browser and it's not coming up, this is the solution. VidIQ.com is not functioning now, so you have to use app.vidiq.com. If this video was helpful, smash the like button, share the video, and I'll see you in the next one.